Top reasons to choose a revocable living trust. Estate planning can feel overwhelming. Long court processes, hidden fees, and loss of privacy can leave your loved ones stressed and unprepared. But there's a smarter way to protect your legacy: a revocable living trust. A revocable living trust offers more than just asset protection. It gives you total control over your assets during your lifetime. A streamlined process to distribute your estate to beneficiaries without delays. Peace of mind knowing your loved ones are cared for. At Mathis Financial Corporation, a proud agency of the Alliance and Integrity Company, we make estate planning easy and accessible. With our revolutionary estate plan platform, you can create a personalized trust quickly, securely, and from the comfort of your home. Don't wait until it's too late. Take the first step in safeguarding your future with a revocable living trust from Mathis Financial Corporation, a proud agency of the Alliance and Integrity Company. It's more than planning, it's protecting what matters most. Visit us at www.estateplan.vip or call us at 95463555180 for a free consultation. Secure your family's future today with Mathis Financial Corporation, a proud agency of the Alliance and Integrity Company.